guys, here is something that I am not crazy about. This is what we call the media closet. This is in our TV room. And you know, it's this huge closet that is a hot mess. This is the before of this closet. And I got to a point where I just can't take it anymore. I need better organization, and I am going to transform this space. Here we are at halfway point, cleaning out all the stuff, reorganizing, making piles, and getting the proper supplies so that we can organize. Phase 3, guys. We've got some of the shelves down, and then we have our stereo surround sound system, which is a hot mess, but I'm going to try to configure that so that this closet becomes very well used. Okay guys, here's the next phase of the closet. We ripped down all the shelves. This is actually wet paint, but now we're painting it this moss green. And don't mind my stereo surround sound wall of shame right there, but that is going to be installed by yours truly in our next video. Here is the IKEA purchase of all the storage that actually fitted in my car. Yes! Here is the finished closet, which I am so excited about. Everything is labeled. We know where everything is. Stereo surround sound is in, wrapping paper station installed and ready, and then all of our books actually fit.